Hey guys, Machines and Mel here. Just wanted to make a second video about this bike I picked up. This is the 2007 Suzuki Intruder, Boulevard, same thing, S50, so the VS800 cc engine. This is the 2-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke motorcycle. And if you remember the first video I made, I bought two bikes earlier this year, and this was one of them. It had a whole bunch of accessories on it. Pardon, we got a band in the barn tonight again. This had a windscreen, saddlebags, LED lighting, heated grips, bottle holder, temperature gauge, clock, tank bag. There was so much stuff on this, you couldn't even see the bike. It's still got the floorboards, which I'm going to replace with pegs. I've ordered pegs online, and I need to go and get turn signals, because when the previous owner installed the bags, the lids of the bags had the turn signal bulbs built into them, so they removed the original taillight turn signals. Anyway, this is running great. I did a couple carb rebuilds on her, cleaned them out. They were pretty dirty, and I'm going to take her out for a maiden ride right now. Hopefully I come back. Thanks for watching, guys. More videos like this, please subscribe.